Who's that? Who are you? Where's Peter? Where is he? You're a whore. Wear your whore makeup, you whore. Filthy whore. You're somebody's father, you filthy whore.
Is somebody in there?
Occupado.
What if I want to have sex before I get married?
Well, I guess you just have to be prepared to die.
Brent can't fit in the glory hole. That's why we all like Brent. Oh!
People forget about her because she's such a slut.
Hey! No one loves cocks more than I do. But talking about it isn't gonna get you off.
Boo, you whore.